guys, it's your girl. Okay, and this is my face reveal. Yeah, and we are playing cooking with my little sister.
Hi.
Yeah, go. Yeah, and if you hear any sound, don't mind that. This is my little brother's watching. So yeah, let's get started with our cooking. And he's just cooking. And don't mind that. That right there. Don't mind that. It's our drinks, but then it kept on falling off. So yeah. Yeah, let's go. So what are we gonna cook, Ditchy?
Donut.
Donut? Okay, let's go. Even though we can't even cook a donut, okay. I want this donut. Crochet donut. Squishy crochet donut.
First we gotta bake the donuts.
Yes, that is correct. But these already have frosting, so no.
I'll have pink, you will have chocolate.
Yes. Of course, you love pink. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Let me just fix my jacket real quick. Hey. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna wait. Are you baking already?
I'm making the dough.
Okay, where's the dough?
It's under the oven.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's under there. Okay. And I'll show you where the donuts are.
No, can't see.
You can't see?
Yeah, it's over there, like that.
Yeah, like that. So.
It's ready.
Oh, it's ready? Okay.
I'm wearing my gloves.
Get a tray.
The tray.
Get the tray. I need gloves too.
Which gloves?
No, just pretend, okay? It's hot.
Get the cream. This is yours. Get mine.
These are. Hey, wait, no, just put them back. I need to show them. Okay, then you gotta show the others. Oh, can you change it, please? The case. They all won't fit in the tray, but in the munchkin. So here it is. So those are the donuts that we have right now, and it can't really fit. But yeah, these are the donuts. They look so yummy. And this right here is like what do you call that? The munchkin. Because we don't really have like a munchkin. It's like Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, we got all the donuts. Now let's start eating. I love munchkin, so. That was good. Okay, let's try my cool donut. Did you come on? Hurry up! I'm gonna take a little bite. That's good. Oh my. And it's my face reveal. try this one. I won't try this one because that's my last one.
It's Halloween, but Halloween.
It was good. The donuts that my baker are so good, did you?
And
As you can't see, my nose is TV stuff.
Halloween sounds.
Just sit on the floor real quick. Come on, you missed almost everything. Okay, don't mind that, okay? And if you hear any sounds again, don't mind that. Okay, then you can start eating. I already tried everything, it's so good. In a tray. It's nice. Okay, something else. Put these in the oven so they can bake.
Yeah.
Beep. Okay, let's cook something. Let's cook some bread. Rice. So we got the rice.
Chocolate rice.
Yes.
There's chocolate underneath.
Yeah, let's just pick up the chocolate. This is so disgusting. Pick up the chocolate. Oh. Okay, let's put some seasoning. Really chocolate. Okay. Put some salt on the rice. Don't judge me. It's good. Stop. Stop. Okay, come on.
I'm gonna cook some soup.
Okay, cook some soup. I'm just gonna.
Halloween.
I'm just gonna eat the rice.
Halloween.
Here, notification. Okay. Could you get me like a plate or something? I need to put my rice in. She, come on, let's make a lunch.
It's scared of me.
Same. I hate thunder so much. Hey, but you have a tray. Oh, gee, okay. Put all of these back. Don't care. Where's the purple one? I don't care about this, not organized. Put the food in. Okay, you have to get a drink. Get a drink.
We have this.
What drink? What drink should you get?
How about some coffee and orange juice?
Orange, okay. Let me lemon. Okay. I got these two.
Can Kate also join?
Yeah, okay.
Come on, you wanna join? We're recording.
My little brother's gonna join. Let me just
Big ground. Look.
like this.
It's a big ground. Yeah.
Hey guys, come here. I'm recording. Okay, say hi to the recording.
Hi.
Oh, you can't see.
Hello.
Yeah, that's him.
Our little brother.
Yup, his name's Case. Oh, wait, where are you going? Okay, you know what? Fine. Dixie, you can have coffee. I will have. Okay. Dixie, where is the soap?
Soup is over there.
Where?
Over there.
Are you cooking it? Cook the soup.
I don't know where to put it.
Okay, well that is cooking right over there. Let's start eating. Okay, all I have is rice, so I'm just gonna get something real quick. Is there any corn? Oh, lechon.
Cook some lechon.
Okay, wait 1 minute. I need the bacon. So let's just take it out of the tray. And then use the tray. I'm cooking stuff, okay? So stop. What does the cook? Ooh, corn. I cook the corn. Smushed corn. So yummy.
Watch this.
Oof.
Watch this. Nope. Sorry. Skeleton. Green skeleton. Halloween is coming.
So, yeah. Okay.
You sorry? I'm gonna bake some. I'm going to bake some.
What? Bake what?
Cake.
Okay, we're not done with the rice. We'll take your rice.
Let's go make some rice cakes.
Okay, go make some rice cakes.
Rich. Oh, makeup.
We all know what
Oh,
to like.
makeup. We forgot this tea.
Tea! Good. The cup.
Rice cakes.
Okay, this is cool. Okay, I'll get some
Purple and
purple.
pink plates.
Guys, eat, eat.
Thanks. That's mine. I'm going to get
Oh well, the turkey's done. Put it in the plate. Okay, well, so that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.